Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install app that allows you to create or extract RAR and zip archives in Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. To do this, you'll need to open a Google Play Store. Now let's find the app called RAR. It's RAR. Hit the search button, then select this app and install it. When it's ready, you'll be able to open the app. Now grant it all file access and go back. Allow to send notifications and dismiss this one. From here, this app should be ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.